Hello everyone, good evening, and welcome to Old Iron Garage. Thank you for tuning in. So tonight I just have a real short video for you. So this will be the final video in the McCulloch generator Will It Run series. It's running great, it doesn't hunt or surge anymore. I got the air filter on, which that helped with that. And then I got the carburetor all tuned and dialed in. And I just want to show you guys that it runs well. And then I'm going to show you guys that it generates power. So let's take a look at that. It's over there on the floor with the exhaust pointed out into the larger area of the garage, so I don't die of carbon monoxide poisoning. All right, let's fire this thing up. Oh, that's that. It's a little, when it first fires, it takes a little bit for it to get going. That generator is just like a giant flywheel. So it takes a little while for it to get going. It takes a little while for it to slow back down. And I do believe the compression has mostly come back because I've ran it for some time now this evening. And it just seems to be, it's running just like any other healthy engine now. So I am very pleased with it. I am beyond shocked that it runs and produces power like it does. And yeah, I'm very happy that I was able to revive this piece of history. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video series. If you did, please hit that like button on the video and subscribe to this channel. Share the channel with your friends, and I will see you in the next one. All right, bye.